It's a stormy Sunday in Spain. I'm home, so it's family day. We went to the beach to look at the waves, and I've got a quick tip for you with copy and paste. Stay tuned. Hi everybody and welcome back on a new vlog. Today I've got a very quick tip for you. As you can see, I opened up my normal YouTube tablet, my starting screen for the YouTube tutorials. It's very simple. It's, as always, a kick and a bass. So that's the usual thing. But today it's very simple. If you want to copy one region or more regions, it's very simple. You select this one with your mouse, and then when you select it, you push Alt, let loose of the mouse, and there is a copy. And you can do it, of course, with one or more regions. Oh. A little bit smaller. Of course, you can do it with two regions. And then you can select 4, and you can do it with everything you want. Another very nice trick with the Alt or the Option button is when I press the X, my mixer is coming out. And if you want to say, well, I want to copy this plugin to the kick, it's very simple. You drag and drop, push Alt, leave the mouse, click loose, and it's copied to the other region. And you can copy it to all the other buses or whatever you want. So that's a very quick tip for today with the Alt button. It's very easy and it's working very fast. You can do it also with Klik if you want. It's working, of course, even with audio or MIDI. If you select an audio file here, that's no audio file, but wait, we go for audio file, like this one. You drag and drop, push the Alt button or the Option, and you can see it's copy and paste. Don't listen to the sound because I just random picked a sound. So I hope you like this quick tip in Logic. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I hope to see you back tomorrow. Enjoy!